me guswa me no ebon komo ebo dewro ewo yerade Yesu Kristo maya etoso emienu eno ho me guso ene wo ebo enkomo na me gusa se Kristo sum ehimfa na wugina Oye nyunu anasa wo yeshi ewo Kristo sum ene Bible say men can trust it wo be nyunu ye nyunu wo be yeshi so a yeshi na bra ye wo mu no eye brebone ebra so say Kristo for ye shall see act like Christians and then come here say who difference between a Christopher and a Riasefo. Yenina ye two abom. And there will be a Christonia who shall cry who difference. Dear trust or ye Christoni. Yeni we are singing a two abom. And it's in the make trust say Onyanko poyen sin a church. Onyanko poyen sin a church. Oh, so on a niche menina. And Yama woo ye ewokukum. And if you will only penny soon, what who nina? And the Bible say men can't trust, obey you, obey Yeshua, yes, Cotrobo Jodie, Unyakupo on pet. A briar whom we a breboni, a Christopher Gina Cono, a brewer, a brewer was your bomb pie, a dear who to a radiso, near so when a man concron, seven by you, never by shay and ding, near to me a Gina and ye brim. And we are bringing them in your way. Baby, I know where is school, meaning baby, I walk. Baby, and the one who make us a savior, almost so much woman. Yes, my and a bang. And in Tiaquesa or bow on him, not a walk come. I want to see them in your name. Sabria and Namui and yes, Sabria was see Diacro. A brewer, a brewer was the Christo Nibia, a shanna of Sokutadia, no general sense in a Debia me ba me near bring a make casa because I was some tiamu dinding. Now who said a brave woman in your bread was ye dear gro. When Yanko say, you nip a dear and not sorry die. You wonder what say. A dear Bamo Yanko point no woman. I was so we are ye fee, a few nip a diem, and son Yanko point to me at no woman. And to see a nip a dear Yanko point sorry die dear. I don't know when you pay coupon solid dine. Now didn't pay any boy the mine. I don't know when you pay your coupon solid dine. Now didn't Nipabiano a the said chrono. I don't know Christo a solid dine. Now you did a kayo and you may fee at the Canipabiano. I don't know you Christo a solid dine. Now a quabrani and no cigarette, we need cocaine. Unim say ayekusi ni punu musi ohu. Tinyame to mu na wo hwiwi ene cocaine ni cigarette. Na say wo punu musi nya ade obetenem. Enti atamu dwan de wo de oni padua ye no. Onyankopon bebu sa. Esa say ye ni padua no eye nyankopon sori dan. Enti ade bia wo de oni padua ne ye no. Onyankopon bebu sa nti wo nde wo ho. Obi bie na no a wo se me na me de me ho. Me can't trust someone new. What be wood in the moja toya body into one new. And then to the old Nipadiano, be very careful. No baby sound awesome. I want to move them. A brave son said he is a Christopher and some like Christians. I was see that Christo so my Eddie. And Nico see you control as well a Christian, when you're Christian. Who go to the weekends? I was sharing some bit in the name. And Pochadi, yes, one jinsa, ye pema, ye man samfata, and Drew Quasiaga, near Sakotina, sorry them, near him handkerchief. Now, yes, sir, ye croye do Saturday, Yakokotina party, I say, near him, ye pack, near Sazonto, near Yenima and Samfata, near Shane your mind tardia, near do Sunday, why in the wood in the rough? Why now? Who children are wood in Yansa? Onyankopon ni chi men now. A brave woman, your breboni. A brave your bread was so big in you. What say? You are telling Uncle something. Do you fee? And so Uncle Sunny fee. And do you fear? I declare ukwa asɔre dem bo sa wo fi sa wo ntumi sakra emfiri wo bone ho a na wo da so ti fimu a na ukwa asɔre brother wo be yisika no ye de be tom konya man kofo bi atena so ne be preach wo mo no wo betie no wo be kosora himam na ate ho ebra so se ye huru ya tade ma ne fi onyankopon de gan wa hye Christopher e wo sa de bi be ye fi ne nkekaye e wo mu no ye yi to twene se be yi na to mu a e ye fi aka wa tade no yi to twene ebre we ye bra wo si ne onyankopon tam ye pepepe ebre we ye bra wo si dan free ya kwambone ho ade biara Bible ne ka tsaye sai nye ye tue ho free ho ebre we ye bra wo si dai and no more sorry, especially Ghana. We be dressed and so for you, so for Sra, so for where you sue. Not Cobrani, not sorry them, and pens and training. Who so for Nasrana will you disqualify? You never gave yes to Christo Solidan. Christo Nimo Pabino wording Kuba's run skin. Bible so on you for the catching the new for set. I don't know what you say. I don't hear your whole young Safo. Na yesi si ni pedia o sisi ho ate o sisi wo ho ene ti cho ofri sa kwambone no ho na onyankopon pe osofu bia wo so sra bia no onye sofo ye antichrist wo mo na ba chi nipa ni bi akobo nsama heniem nti odi na chi saa because oni friendly kwan ya o yira nti obe ye saa wo de ni use ene Ghana ni wo akola ketwa no wo sra no ya walk like it one year. Why the catch society way? And we call ourselves Christians. Who be show Christoni, no man so obey a good or the sutra, no tia son of them opens and training in Yameho. When Yameho funny Yaman teaches out. And tis out to Bonim, Nancy Sophon Shon Coma, no Shon Como, never more. That means you want some Christo. Wakoji Bibi, and maybe she shankawa. Ebi kutukuta handkerchief ebi ye niema fi ebi fama ye kum kofo de ye rituals e de betete asori nsenkyerene nti ye niema ma especially ye niema ma ne niema ma kire bia ya na mu bi ya na mu hu ye me nwan papa e de na wo pa wasase we so an nsenkyerene nti wotumu se be bia wo kɔ ne nge obi timi boni kunukro no de koma sofo nsenkyerene nti and Sanchanin found go heaven. And Sanchanin found see heaven get you on that. Me catch you. And to who want to mamma in feet. A fin a crimen quason go and Sanchani. Quason go Christo. Christo knows the coalition was son of them. And then I'll cost a coin and Sanchani. Who quason go pecuni. Who go pay Juma. Who go pesica. And I'll call you Christo. And then I'll pay. Ebraso se me kura sorfo ye sori ye rade hunhum ni kurem ebraso se ye gina ye ebraso se Kristo ni papa biara wo so pe heaven akọ firi sabre ne boa ho ye gina kono eniema eba no enye fe eniema eba Kristo fo so ne nye fe. And it is 1 2 1 free money won't to be nina. Miss Row. A brewing a brew see dear girl. Christopher. And no wish your softball. Was so a bishop. A chest on the set you. On kind of cringe nipa. Yes to Christo so by man would tibia. Nesson. Was so a bad bumpire on Catani so. Better my bumpire. More in such a. When they go to Bishop Hotel, Nessun, or for one come correct, no nam, no shankawa, no cross to Danicum, near deceiving coffo. And yet deceiving coffo. And yet deceiving coffo. Who can you say, hey, I don't know what me this time, no, me, because winning, won't to me, mamma, have you home to me for me, won't to me, mammy, take it. And tis all ya deep in yet, never to me, be. And ya call how or Germany Hunumua or semi century any one of the catcher. A brasso, see a sorry, near ye Jumano, yet see a wooden day, near Cassa, Nanny Powers and ye when you wait. Yes, Papa. seti table ay aduane afre ne maso mu medidi edu ho no bia bibi yi na no we se me kwa ha nti edu table no ho no na ne ma no mu aduane ma ho no mu nyina ni table no osuma ne kwa ne bisa mo nkwa bonten mo nkwa kwan ne ho mo nkwa se mpache ani ni frafo no nkwa fo mo mra no mo metna se no mu nidi ebi ne me o mo bi a wo bo credit card e hye gain e metna on kan kira wo se Yesu Kristo maya na aben enti tuwufri wa kombone ho dabi tuwufri do mamom wo de me fu tantan e na betna ka kira wo se tuwufri do mamom na wiye pemu ni wei tuwufri akayo pesame kuminya ahoya empotadidi akoshibra wi ni kokenum sakawa tuwufri ho nkofu kunu ma ho je tuwufri ho aware sayefo tuwufri ho oberma ho woyi on se di wiase ayo on se wiase yo dentu yire kranso wonam nempotadidie na open kofo wa bra wo yire on se bibia on ti won se bibia nso because what poor ready Yesu Kristo uso woni na samso enti bibia ni wonu mabeso Yesu Kristo babiem na me de metie mu denden me ka tso de o waso no on tie de honum ne kasa trasafo dani fi wiase ne wiase ne bibi papa bia de ma enima wa hanyina yifin Yesu Kristo babiem me de maka me see the best horse rider in the whole world. One no wade ne ponkonam soro ne nan ka fom awurade nyankopon one no wade ne ponkonam soro eni breso na tade ehye ne dia bomojam ne ni so jaseko ne ni jasara srama ne katem dam edan enum no eyenkante bebubo nipa Yesu Kristo babiemo ebreni ho maye ebrena ewum na tia enti jane ne je okrankwa ade na utia asafu na wugusu di bone osofo wutia asafu mu no bi yaka sofo mami antia asafu asoreba unu obi twemanso edu Sunday na kwa asore hede oye na asore dem ni didwa obi beba na ohihye niema ekua material di bia ba o ma mehwe ene guni kabut no odi free nkofo enti ni following Sunday no ekua won kwa asore wo se dabi enra me koto antia bna entuma wan hwe ye ne oba asore a obaba beda me kamisu me nisika eninti no wada ukoton nie okudidwa wa asore asore na okudidwa ukotie nyame asema be ka bia kire nkofo okudidwa wa asore die tuwufri ho ene ya tuwufri ho na nya asore dem ni didwa na sofo bi tuwo mususu o monka so tia tight no ofe ntuwo mususu o monka me so tight no ofe be ye kwa ebeye kwa because who knew Nyankopon mra ne so onni mra ne so enti di mra ne so dai niema fi na ho ye no ntade fi dai hye o si ye na sore dai ye Yesu Kristo na sore dai woti ye mu asore dai na ya pinti na ye hia dai ye mu no wotie enti memfa woni padia mo ajaman memfa woni padia nsibi ni koke memfa woni padia enye niema fi memfa woni padia murunia memfa woni padia fankofo nkonno so memfa woni padia nyinkofo kunu memfa woni padia bokro no tuwufri ho ene wudi asofo idi wu ukobusa se me prophet one apu wo we prophet one to me be ne kuta ya prophet one Yesu Kristo he is the best the perfect man bonini ne ho wona na bonini ne ho enti dia wo ye no Jehovah wa hu judgment is coming and he is our peace and you need to be very careful. You call yourself prophet one. Whoa. Prophet one or fanko for you no more can. Whoa, we are prophet one. Prophet one will fanko for you no going inside to we are prophet one. Prophet one or fan ma can. Who we are prophet one. A puta. Why did this happen in the mouth? Yesu Kristo woni. E bedde no beka se trimi soko. Me dim. Koso na shiwi na ndom dot. Obeka se men kame na me ho te chan. Onum be free musie. Ntu de koso ye. Prophet ya osra, osofo titi etam peteshe ekuta poma kontina ho no mo ko shankom e di handkerchief chi nanim afa nkofo ayire no mo de wo ho nsuo ye rituals Yesu Kristo obabie mo obeba be kire wo gina be wate tunduro na je nkofo sika ne be wie wo sai me ka kire atiefo se antichrist waba and to be careful as soon as you are making I yes come kese ye kan tell say to mfiri wo kombo na Yesu Kristo obabie mu no wo mo dada wo de wo koseyim wo se me nsuo di wo bekum hunam no ye nsuo di wo bekum honhom di wo betime de honhom na kwa ma ne hu ni gem wo no na ye nsuo no enye nipa di wo be nsuo bekum once wo wie but the ye nsuo no pa aye di odi be tina temu odwanem ade akodu eja tanana enum da no wonne ho sie suro no meni abre I'm going crazy. Me go crazy for Christ. Many are brave for Jesus. Because you conform you saw the day the days and phone. Yeah, you saw the day the conform call say him. And ne obi timi no diame no kuku or the cost of one yes that's so many. Shani me kuta wo oyela aya dem ma. Shabange se gugu unsa. Shahanka tifune nchine niema ho di abura mu nsio. Am wow. Johnny Phil wa kombone ho ko slap ne fate no nyame fa wo ni nchon nchu di won kwan man awieye bremu ne woi abre ni wo mayai Yesu Kristo maya na bai wo mo mungu paradise no wo ma ka kire Yesu wo mo se papa na de bi go dada onko bu atan ni Yesu fa nko heavy hobby wo se mun ntwen mre kakra bi san wa ka kire wo Bible wo se mun ntwen mre kakra bi kopem se omunuanu mo ho no ye be konkum wo no mbaba be ka wo ho sabe ye gina kono e Christopher e gina kono nowhere is cool America ye gina kono ento de bompo tade de me de fo atrofo ni ntro e mo mo kan crunchro na de tena se Yesu Kristo ba biem e dade be fa wo no mu wo so wo ba ti so wi fo and need to be careful